We'll be ready to go here now to the starting line. Dave has one engine fired, and he'll be firing the other engine off the other small turbine, and be ready to go here shortly. Certainly hope you're enjoying the mods here tonight, ladies and gentlemen. It's the first time we've ever brought them in the 3 years we've been coming here to Salem Speedway, and we hope that you enjoy them here tonight. And you'll tell your friends and neighbors about what you saw. Come back to be with us here next year here for the John Jones GM City Hoosier Classic. This is the third consecutive year that John Jones GM City is the title sponsor of the Hoosier Classic Truck and Tractor Pull. And we certainly appreciate John Jones for what he does. Don't forget his 3 convenient locations are in Salem, Croydon, and Scottsburg. Get your discount outlet for the full line of General Motors, cars, trucks, vans, and sport utilities. The next time you're shopping for a new or used vehicle, be sure you visit the friendly folks at John Jones GM City in Salem, Croydon, or Scottsburg. You'll be glad you did. John Jones GM City, you see so many because they paid so little. Also be sure to visit John Jones GM City's Auto Body Super Center, the most advanced body shop in Kentuckiana. Okay, because of the wind here, it has a tendency to maybe want to try to snuff the turbines out a little bit. They're going to have to try to spray some more raw fuel inside of them to get them going a little bit stronger. Snyder has reworked this tractor over. This is the first look for it this year, in the year 2003. And you have a little bit of bugs once in a while with them when you have them laying in the garage all winter long. You don't get an opportunity to really work them. He had Louisville at the National Farm Machinery Show this year. He did pull the legend. And this is his newest machine here. The topsoil, check it out. More convenient location, Croydon, Salisbury, Well, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of hard work out of Michigan and did get done this weekend. Let's give him a nice round of applause, though, folks. All the way from Hudsonville, Michigan. How about it, folks? Got to be total frustration for him because he thought for sure that this tractor was ready to... Out of Lansing, Michigan, Mr. Bob Joston on the starting line. You sometimes save the best for last, and I think we just did, ladies and gentlemen. Check it out. right there for the man out of Lampere, Michigan. Kind of tied in. You see, have you ever seen the old bragging rights between two tractors? Well, right here we have our gentleman from Cool Camp. Tell us all about what we're going to see tonight.
Well, we have what we call pulley. It's a sandwich of metal and rubber that has been put together with a new space age adhesion technology. And last January, history was made in Fort Wayne, Indiana at the ATPA pull when two tractors attempted to rip this thing apart and utterly failed. So through the summer, Tom McConnell, president of ATPA, has put out a challenge, thrown out a gauntlet, and starting tonight, we're going to go with two tractors, and then we're going to work our way up to two cement trucks, two bulldozers, and we're going to see how far we can take this.
Now, what is this chemical? What do you use it for?
It's aerospace-grade technology. It's called the toolbox of tomorrow because it will weld metal, solder wire. It'll revulcanize rubber. It's a plastic welder. It works on every material known to man, and it's lightning fast, and you'll see how strong it is here in a minute.
All right, here we go. I was in Fort Wayne, so I can attest to this, ladies and gentlemen. Let's watch them go to work here. Okay, guys, let's do it. Let's see if you can pull it apart. I don't think so. Whoa! Little GX gets pulled, both of them GX50s. Wow. All right. Now, where is this available so people can buy this stuff?
Well, I'm glad you asked that.
I thought you would.
We have a very special...